everyone. Welcome to the clubhouse. My name is Liam.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Chloe. And we are
The Super Crew.
And this is our fantastic friend Bark.
We are doing a puzzle, but we can't figure out which way this piece fits. Can you help us?
Yes!
Great! Let's look at the puzzle.
We know this is the last piece, but we can't seem to figure out how to make it fit. Do we need to turn the puzzle piece like this?
No! Okay, does the puzzle piece need to turn this way? No!
Does it need to turn this way?
Yes!
Thank you for your help with the puzzle. You did a super job.
Did you hear that? It sounded like the super box. Let's go check it out.
Did you send us something super?
Yes!
Great! Here at the clubhouse, we help connect the super clue, the big deal, and the Bible. Today's big deal is up, down, all around, God knows me. Let's open the super box to see what's inside.
It's a shoe, but it looks like the shoelaces are untied. I wonder, how does an untied shoe connect to our big deal? Up, down, all around, God knows me. Can you wonder with us?
Oh, I think I know. Shoes are sometimes hard to learn to tie, and you may need help tying them. God knows everything that happens and is here to help.
That's right. Now, be looking because you are going to see the super clue again. When you see the super clue, here's what I want you to do. Since our super clue is an untied shoe, I want you to pretend that your fingers are tangled up shoes and ask for help, please. Like this. Help, please. Can you try it with me? See the super clue, ask for help.
Help, please.
Great! I know how we can learn about how God knows us. Let's
Look in the Bible. Remember, the Bible is God's book.
The Bible is true, and it's for you.
Today's Bible story comes from the book of Nehemiah. Can you say Nehemiah?
Nehemiah.
Great job! In the book of Nehemiah, we will learn how God knew Nehemiah and helped him with a big problem. Let's look at the Bible story together. Jerusalem's wall was rebuilt. Nehemiah was an Israelite, one of God's chosen people. Nehemiah lived in another land that was not the land of Israel, and he had an important job. Nehemiah worked for the king. One day, some men came from Nehemiah's hometown, the city of Jerusalem. Nehemiah asked the men how the people of Jerusalem were doing. The men told Nehemiah that they were in trouble because the wall around Jerusalem was broken and the gates to the city had been burned. Nehemiah was very sad to hear this news. For many days, Nehemiah fasted, which means he chose not to eat food. Instead, he chose to think about and pray more to God. The king saw that Nehemiah was very sad and asked what was wrong. Nehemiah said, "The city where my people live is in trouble. The gates have been burned and the wall is broken. May I go and rebuild the wall?" The king agreed and sent Nehemiah to Jerusalem with the supplies he needed to rebuild the wall. Nehemiah arrived in Jerusalem and began to rebuild the wall with the help of God's people. This made their enemies mad. They made fun of God's people and made a plan to stop and hurt them. Nehemiah spoke to God's people to encourage them. He told them that God knows every situation and that he would help them. They started rebuilding the wall again and completed the wall in just 52 days.
Amazing! Nehemiah had a big problem, but God knew him and helped Nehemiah build the wall. God knows us too. No matter how hard something may be, God knows us and knows how to help us.
Do you see something? It's our super clue. Do you remember what to do?
Help, please.
Great job. Before you learn to tie your shoes, you need help to tie them. Learning to tie shoes can be hard, and you may feel upset and want to give up. Instead of giving up, you can ask someone to help you. God knows everything that happens, even when we need help. When we are upset or want to give up, we can remember that God knows us up, down, and all around. He knows every situation, and He is here to help us.
So next time you see untied shoes, you can remember that God knows you and always wants to help you. So,
Today we have learned that God knows everything that happens. Even when God's people were sad and wanted to give up, Nehemiah told them that God knew what was happening and He would be with them and help them. God knows every situation we are in too. When we are upset or want to give up, we can remember that God knows us up, down, and all around. He knows every situation, and He is here to help us.
that is a big deal. Let's say our big deal together. I'll say it first, and then you say it after me. Up, down, all around.
Up, down, all around.
God knows me.
God knows me.
Amazing job! Thanks everyone for coming to the clubhouse today. We'll see you next time. Say bye, Bark!
Bye.